How to simplify the fraction 10 over 2 into its simplest form, lowest term, or reduced form? To simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or divisor. Look, 1 times 2 equal to 2, so 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. Again, 1 times 10 equal to 10, so 1 and 10 are the factor of 10. Again, 2 times 5 equal to 10, so 2 and 5 are the factors of 10. The greatest common factor between these two numbers is 2. So if you divide this 10 by 2 and this 2 by 2, you are getting 5 over 2. This is an improper fraction, so our task is to convert this improper fraction to mixed number. This is improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. To convert this improper fraction to mixed number, just divide 5 by 2. 2 goes into 5. 2 times 2 times 2, 4. Subtract 1. So this quotient will be our whole number part. This remainder will be numerator and this will be our denominator. So 2 and half is our answer.